My name is Nathan Correa, and my cow's name is Bucky. She cost $750. I used the loan from Sun Community. I took out $1,800. I used it for him and his supplies such as feed, bedding, and his buckets. In the mornings, you just go and feed him. And then in the afternoons, you go feed, change his bedding, and give him water. And check for any illnesses. Starter weight was 122 pounds. He now weighs 352 pounds. So pretty much you line up in a line, and then as you go in, they just have you hold him like facing this side. That way they could, the auctioneer or like the buyers could look at your cow really well, and then they could decide what price they want to do as they bid. My last calf went for $5 a pound, but he had a hernia, so he was less likely to do good. I'm hoping for $9 a pound.
Sun Community's Livestock Loan Program allows access to funds to all people to complete these projects, whether they be small as a rabbit or big as a steer. If you have any questions, reach out to your club advisor. Yeehaw!